My name is Just a Queen Wells and welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that bell so you will know every time that I upload a video. Those of you who are coming back, welcome back. I am sitting here in my Peace Nest Sherpa comforter, and oh man, I love this one just as much as I love the other one. If you want to see what I've been up to, just keep on watching. Okay guys, it's my Sunday evening, and as always, it's time to redo these. So guys, you know I love getting my nails done, and I want to show this new nail polish that I actually got today, and it came packed in this nice little box right here, and they protected the product by putting some nice little hey, this matches my matches my little comforter. But yeah, I love the extra effort somebody puts into delivering their products. Now I want to thank this nail company. It's called Nail Reserve. They were so kind as to send me some nail polishes. These are actually really nice, and oh my god, they send me a variety of colors. I don't even know what I'm going to put in first, but let me get something so I can show you the color. Actually, I'll put it right here on this little box right here. These are, of course, gel polishes. Oh, girl, this thing is on here nice and tight. They reached out to me before, but I actually had somebody steal the darn package, so I didn't get it. They were so kind as to send me another package, but this is, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that is just so pretty. And I'll put the names of the polishes below because, of course, I have my glasses on. Girl, I can't even see with these glasses on. This company is vegan and cruelty free. It is a great product. This is the blue right here, and then this looks sort of like a little maroon. Again, this company is called Nail Reserve. Girl, they are super affordable, and look how nice and thick this polish is. I'm telling you, oh, look at this. And that's just one coat. Just one coat. Look at that. And then look at this color right here. Isn't that just gorgeous? Let me put this one on here. Oh, look how thick that is. Look. Oh my goodness, that's just super thick. You can just go with one coat, I'm telling you. If I can put enough on here. Oh my goodness, that's just one thick coat right there. Oh, I love that color. These are perfect for the fall as well. So yeah, ladies, I might do one color nail of each. Okay, so I wish they would have the names at the bottom or on the side. That would help out. But I'll put all the colors below. Let me just get through. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, I love this. This is like a cranberry color, perfect for a nice Christmas party. Oh girl, I want to put this on my nails. I think this is the color I'm gonna use. Okay, this is a cute color. Not really my color, but yeah, let's see what it looks like. Let's see. I know it's a lot of people that do nails on here. Okay, so this is a little bit on the bright side. Might be nice for some toenails though. I'm thinking maybe. Definitely a summer vibe. This particular one is a summer vibe to me. This is a nice little color as well. Let's see what this looks like. I see some glitter in here, girls. I see some glitter. Okay, so this is not necessarily my shade either, but it's like this maybe look good on some lighter skin tones. It's like a peachy pink. So that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. Oh, gray. You know, I have not seen a gray polish. I haven't been shaking these up, but yeah. I'm going to put my false nails on. I'll show you the ones that I normally use. But this, oh, I'm loving this gray right here. Oh, this is really pretty. I don't know, girls. Oh my goodness, this is really, really pretty gray. Oh my goodness, that is a pretty gray. And wait a minute, hold up. Yes, look at the freaking glitter. Now, you know, some glitter you gotta pile on there a couple of times. I wanna see what this does, because I'm thinking over top of any of these, this glitter would look good. Oh my goodness, look how thick that is. Let's see. Oh, nice. One swipe, you get a nice little, oh yeah, one swipe, you get some nice glitter going on. And just, man, if you do a couple of them, look at that. Oh my goodness, that is nice. So guys, Nail Reserve is doing their thing. They are a really nice company. Like I said, they have a lot of varieties of nail polish. Any polish that is going to fit your taste, they are going to have. I'm loving this gray. And look at the payback in that, in the glitter polish. I mean, that's just, these are just one swipe. One. Now just wait till you let it dry and put on that second coat, girl. Are you kidding me? This is going to be absolutely perfect with my nails. I'm going to get off camera and do my nails because I'm a messy nail person. Yeah, it takes me a lot. I got to get off these old ones. You see them falling off. So it is on time that Nail Reserve sent me this polish. I will put all of their colors. These are just the ones that I received. I will put these below in the order that I did them, so you can certainly see the nice swipes to them. I will show you my nails after they're done. I might just have to use every color. If you don't have a little, I believe they also have just plain polishes on there. It's not necessarily gel, but these are nice and thick. They are going to last a real long time on your nails. So go check out Nail Reserve. I am absolutely loving it. This is Just a Queen Wells, and thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending me these awesome colors. So go check them out. Make sure you pick up 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of their fabulous colors. Until then, I'll see you later. Girl, I got so many. Mwah. See ya. Oh, I'm thinking, I don't even know. Let me think. What color? See you later, guys.